We have all been there. You are excited to start making money online. If you find a new product on WarriorPlus with amazing promise, but then a small voice in your head asks, is this real? Or am I about to get scammed? That fear is okay. It stops most people from ever starting. So hi, I'm Umesh Chandra and welcome to my Umesh Honest Review. In this video, I'm going to share my 3 biggest red flags so I look for to spot a potential scam before you single dollar spend. So this promise to make $1,000 a day in a just 20 minutes within a 60 second. You can see the $1,000 30 seconds. So these claims are designed to make especially biggest desire for making money fast with no effort. They are emotionally so powerful. As an honest reviewer, our job is to use logic. Okay, a legitimate business especially focused on its value provides and the problem it solves, not just you can make money. The real online business take time and consistent effort to build. So my rule is simple. If the income claims sounds too good to be true, it's almost always is, that the sign up. Red flags number 1. So leave it if you want to good high quality product. Okay guys, the second huge red flag, and for me the biggest one, is where there is no real demo of the product in a action form. So let me show you exactly what I mean by the comparing to sales page. So if you go to inside the WarriorPlus, okay, and just search your product where you want and just check out this product quality or not, vendors trustworthy or not. So inside, after you search, okay, so this is a JV page. Okay, so if you don't know what is a JV page, so let me tell you. JV page is a full form joint venture, okay, where by the vendors all product details, okay, put inside the JV page. Okay, so you can easily access all the details and know about the product. Okay, so if you click and just go to the, okay, if you basically look like this one. Okay, so I'm just telling you, but this product JV page look like this one. Okay, so you can see that. So there is no videos. Okay, just promise text. Okay, you can see that just text form and some OTOs 49, 70.5, 50 upsells of this. Okay, product 50 million sub. Okay, basic information inside the JV page, not enough detail, so you can decide this product good or not. Okay, and let's go sales page of this product and just go to, you can see there's no promise, there is no video. Okay, you can see the, okay, showing the products dashboard, even someone using inside the just text form promises like that, you can see that. And now, okay, and now look at the second page inside the JBJ account and just go to the another sales page product. Okay, so if you go to the JV page, okay, just click and go to inside this. So here is inside the JV page, you will get all details of this product. Okay, what is product, what is feature of this product, JV page link. Here you direct go to this sales page, everything all about. Here is the demo video. Okay, just click and you can see that. You can play and watch what is really actual, how it's work. Okay, you can watch and you can decide. So here is the real demo. So I stop this video. So and go to the sales page. Okay, so you look like this, the very trustworthy this page, sales page. Okay, it's a look professionally, and here is the some sales page, video sales page. Okay, you can watch this, and if you scroll down, so here is inside the all details. Okay, here all the inside details you can watch. Okay, you can see that all the bonuses inside the. Okay, what I'm trying to say, the first sales page. Okay, the first sales page makes claims only. Second sales page provides proof. You should not confidence enough to give them your money. So no demo, no deal. And the last and the third red flag is combination of bad design and fake scarcity. So let me show you something. Think about it like a physical shop. If you walk into the shop and the wall dirty and okay, and the sign have some spelling mistake, so would you trust them? Of course not. Okay, so let me show you what I'm trying to. But a professional product should have professional sales page. Okay, so let me show you what I'm trying to say you. So look at that. Okay, and look at that. Okay, and tell me which one is the best. If you scroll down, okay, all the thing you can see that. Yeah, okay, if you scroll down, and this one, okay, if you scroll down, so you can see that all the things, and tell me which one is the best. Another, let me show you. Here is, so you can see that. If you scroll down, all the thing inside the images, here is, you can see that, and another sales page. Okay, so if you scroll down, and all the things you can see, and tell me, okay, tell me which one is the best. Of course, this is the unprofessional, bad design. Okay, this is also bad design, and this is a professional, and this is also professional. Everyone, okay, easily can check out and tell which one is the best. Because if you inside this sales page, okay, so there is no, okay, all detail inside the product, and no graphics, only text box, some things. Okay, not comfort to read. It's boring sales page. Okay, so you can check easily the vendors not able to sales page make professional. So if not able to sales page, so you can easily okay, check out the vendors not able to make product quality. Okay, so you can another check inside this unprofessional. Okay, if you scroll down, so some pictures you can see that's okay, not a graphics, the font size is not unmatched. Okay, the color combination is so unmatching. Okay, not comfort, comfort to read out everything, it's so small. Okay, so all the things you can check, all the layout you can see that unmatched. So you can easily check this. Okay, if you inside the professional sales page, so everything is a perfect matching. If you scroll down, so all the detail inside the, okay, before if you go to the purchase everything, so you can easily read out all the details. Our unprofessional pages, so limit details the product. So if you scroll down, so all the things, graphics, proof, testimonial, inside the dashboard, something, modules. Okay, you can read everything without, okay, so you can check them all the things. Okay, you can also this inside the, so here is all details inside the combinations of graphics, font, everything is a perfect. So you can see that, okay, bad design. So you can easily, if you found this type of fact, bad design graphics, okay, bad design sales page, okay, so just leave it and go further to another product. What if you want, which type of product, okay, just check this sales page professional or not professional, okay. And second is the fake timer scarcity. So let me show you, okay, if you combination of both, okay, so let me check the fake scarcity, okay, timer. So I think inside the is not, let me check inside this. So there is no timer inside the, I think, okay. If you, okay, found the product and go to the sales page, third red flag, okay, fake, bad design and the fake scarcity, means timer always reset and create FOMO to sell, okay, to make sell immediately. If both of them, so you just leave it and go further to find professionals, okay, product, high quality product and professional sales page, okay, it should inside this product. So let me show you the another sales page, I think, okay. If you scroll down, this is a professional, right, professional sales page. But if you scroll down, so you can see that, okay, this is a fake scarcity timer, okay, always warning next prices in the, okay, if you any of sales page inside the, not only exact next price wages under end of 30, okay, we will expire on, okay, this bonus, everything inside the, after, okay, was this inside the sales after 1 day, 2 day, 30 day, so same still remains, okay, next prices rises under, okay, 30 minute, 50 minute, you should buy this product, a FOMO generate, okay. So let me show you what I'm exact. If refresh this page, okay, so restart again under 30 minutes, this is a 30-minute timer. So let's refresh this page and you can see that 30 minutes. Let's again refresh the page and under the 30 minutes. So this is a, okay, so this is a cheap trick to sell product, okay. Remember, good product doesn't need to lie to you, make sale, okay. Good vendors, professional vendors, okay, always try to show every detail, everything, okay, not okay, not a fake trick of lie, this type of. So make sure, okay, make sure this is a bad sign of the bad product, okay. So always try to this professional, and this should be not fake trick, okay. So you can easily find the best quality of product. So the third, okay, the third red flag is bad cheap design and the timer that always reset. So just leave it, okay, and go further. So find the, with this 3 red flag, under the 3 red flag, so be careful, okay. If you go to the found any, if you want to product, okay, high quality product, because your hard money, you never want to, okay, wasting your money. 3 red flag, okay, under the red flag, to find the, okay, you easily find the best quality product. So that's it. So there you have it. Before you ever spend your money, run the product through the 3-point checklist. Are the income claims realistic? Is there real live demo videos? Is the design professional? And is the scarcity real? My entire mission on this channel is to be your guide and protector on this confusing world. So if you found this video helpful and want to more honest tips like this, and also in a depth review of this product, so make sure hit that subscribe button and join our community of smart marketer. So thanks for watching and stay safe out there. So bye bye friend.